Recently, Humane introduced their first AI Pin device, and it's a game changer in wearable technology. Powered by artificial intelligence, the Humane AI Pin is an incredible gadget that's about to transform our interaction with tech. Today, I'm excited to walk you through what the Humane AI Pin is all about, how it operates, its features, and why it's such a groundbreaking device. Alright, so the Humane AI Pin is a small, square gadget you can clip to your clothes with magnets. It's a simple, stylish badge available in black, silver, and gold. Its design is influenced by Apple, as its creators are ex-Apple employees who helped develop the iPhone, iPad, and Apple Watch. This is their first product, launched recently after being previewed at many events. But it's more than just a fancy pin. It's a powerful AI tool that can do many things your phone can, but without a screen. It works through voice and gestures, projecting a laser display onto your hand or any surface, allowing you to use your hand as a touchscreen. The pin also includes an AI assistant, powered by OpenAI's GPT-4, the same tech behind ChatGPT. This assistant can answer questions, find information, and carry out tasks by generating natural text and understanding complex instructions. So what can you do with the Humane AI Pin? Well, a lot of things, like you can listen to music, podcasts, and audiobooks with it, and easily adjust the volume and playback either by touching it or with voice commands. It's equipped with a personic speaker that lets you listen without needing headphones, creating a sound bubble around you.
It can be really intimate, or it can be really loud.
The pin also lets you make phone calls and send texts using voice control. It has its own cellular connection and comes with a plan for unlimited calls, texts, and data. But it does more than a regular smartphone. It can translate spoken words into any language in real time. Just ask it to translate into the language you want, and it'll do it instantly.
Listos para enviar la versión final.
We are almost ready to ship the final version.
You can also take photos and videos with a simple gesture or voice command thanks to its 13-megapixel camera. You can see your photos and videos on the Center website, where all your data from the device is stored securely. The pin also helps with personal goals and health. It tracks your fitness and diet goals and gives feedback. You can get nutritional details of any food by showing it to the device, and it'll tell you about the calories, ingredients, and if it fits your health plan. Plus, you can set reminders, take notes, and ask for any information just by speaking to it. This device is designed to integrate seamlessly into your daily life and to enhance your presence and awareness in the real world. It is not meant to distract you or isolate you from your surroundings, but rather to augment your intelligence and capabilities. It is also very respectful of your privacy and preferences. It has a trust light feature that indicates when the device is listening or recording, and you can turn it off at any time. The device also does not store any transcripts or audio recordings, but only builds a knowledge base for you. And it has a safety and alignment system that prevents it from producing harmful or inappropriate content and allows you to steer it in the right direction. So how is it different from other AI gadgets? Well, it's definitely the first of its kind, and it has no direct competitors in the market right now. However, there are some other tech giants like Apple and Meta are working on their own wearable AI devices, such as smart glasses or pendants. And there are also some startups like Rewind and Tab that are developing similar devices that can record and analyze your conversations. However, none of these devices have the same level of functionality, creativity, and reliability as the Humane AI Pin, which is powered by the state-of-the-art GPT-4 technology. The Humane AI Pin has received a lot of attention and praise from the public and the tech community, and many people are eager to get their hands on it. You can pre-order it on the Humane website for $699, and there's a monthly subscription fee of $24. They'll begin shipping it in early 2024. This gadget works with different add-ons like a wireless charger, a car mount, and a wristband. Right now, it's only being sold in the US, but the company has plans to sell it in other places later on. Now, to be honest, the device isn't perfect yet. It's new, so it's got some glitches. Sometimes it doesn't get voice or hand movements right, and the laser display can be fuzzy or shaky. Plus, its AI, which is based on GPT-4, can sometimes be off, giving wrong or fake information. Despite these issues, it looks promising, and I'm excited to see how it'll fit into the daily lives of those who start using it. But what's your take on the Humane AI Pin? Is it a breakthrough or just a fad? Would you get one now or wait for something better? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on AI and tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.